Never outshine the master. In the game of power, one of the most dangerous mistakes you can make is to outshine those above you. Welcome back to our series on the 48 Laws of Power. Today, we explore Law 1, Never outshine the master. A young protege is standing next to an older, more experienced leader. The older leader looks pleased while the protege subtly steps back. This law teaches us that when dealing with those in positions of power, it's crucial to make them feel secure and superior. If you outshine them, their insecurity may lead to your downfall. Practical example, the corporate mentor, an office scene where young employee Lisa presents her project to a group of executives, subtly crediting her mentor John, who smiles in approval. Take the corporate world. For example, Lisa, a talented employee, works under John, a seasoned manager. When Lisa completes a major project, she ensures to highlight John's guidance in front of senior executives. John feels secure and appreciated, strengthening their professional relationship. The political protege, or consider the political arena Michael, a rising star, is careful not to outshine his mentor, Senator Thomas, by attributing his success to Thomas's leadership. Michael avoids triggering any feelings of competition or insecurity. The historical lesson, Julius Caesar in Pompeii, a reenactment of Julius Caesar standing respectfully beside Pompey during a Roman Senate meeting. Even in history, we see this law at play. Julius Caesar, during his early career, made sure to praise and follow Pompey, a leading figure in Rome, avoiding any actions that might outshine him, allowing Caesar to rise without opposition until he was ready to stand alone. The wrong approach, Nicolas Fouquet. But what happens when you outshine the master? Just look at Nicolas Fouquet, who threw a grand party to impress King Louis XIV. Instead of gaining favor, Fouquet's display of wealth and power led to his arrest as the king felt overshadowed and threatened. Key takeaway. The key takeaway. Never outshine the master. Always make those in power feel superior and secure. By doing so, you protect yourself and can rise steadily within the ranks. If you found this lesson insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom from the 48 Laws of Power. Remember, understanding how to navigate power dynamics is crucial to your success.